Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'll guide you on how to change the language on the Linkifun GT6 Android 12 Smart AI box. So let's get started. First, plug the device into your car's supported USB port. Then, wait until the device connects to your car. Once the device is connected and the home screen appears on your car display, find and tap apps or the 4 quadrant icons. Then, into installed apps, scroll until you find settings, and tap on it. Once you are in the settings, scroll down the language and tap on it. Here, you'll find all the supported languages by Linkifun GT6. Just locate your language and tap on it, and the language on Linkifun GT6 will change. And that's it! The language on Linkifun GT6 has been changed successfully. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.